I may or may not have already started helping with those record averages.
Now's the time.
Bring some in if you have any excess.
It's all
Right.
about the Reese's Pieces eggs.
Oh, yeah.
It's something about the
Little-
chocolate to peanut butter ratio of those and like the Christmas trees and pumpkins.
I really
Yes, they're the best.
addicted to the jelly beans.
I love those too. I like the Starburst ones.
Those are good.
Yes, those are good.
Basically,
All right.
we're not picky up here.
No, I'll take all your sweets.
Now you know what to put in our Easter basket.
There we
right?
go.
I can't believe Easter is, what, a week from this
Yeah.
Sunday. So we're going to be looking at the next 10 days in just a moment. But out the door this morning, watch for some areas of fog. I don't expect it to be too widespread, but there will be at least some areas of reduced visibility. And then this afternoon, above average temperatures. We're back in the mid-80s for most of the Gulf Coast. And I want to point your attention to the weekend because we will be tracking higher rain chances. This does not mean it's going to be a washout by any means this weekend. But if you look at the rain potential, this is both Saturday and Sunday, the accumulations, we could be looking at some neighborhoods picking up over an inch of rain. Now, you'll see that is over Bonita Springs currently, but this is all going to kind of adjust a bit depending on where some of those showers and storms set up as we get into Saturday and Sunday afternoon. Here's a closer look across Lee County and just give the idea that there is that potential for about an inch to, say, about a half an inch to an inch in some areas, even more than that. So let's talk about the weekend. Now, tomorrow looks fairly quiet. It will be turning toasty up to 88 degrees, a couple spotty showers, rain chances around 20%. Saturday, we continue to heat up to 89. Wouldn't surprise me if some of us made it into the 90s, and then we'll have some scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms, rain chances at 40%. Same deal for Sunday, but Sunday will be a little bit cloudier and breezier. We'll see wind gusts up to around 30 and a high of 83. So you can see the change there as we track a weak front moving through the Gulf Coast. Right now, if you look off in the distance, you can see there's a layer of fog and some low clouds looking across the Caloosahatchee toward North Fort Myers and the Northeast Cape. We're at 65 degrees right now, and just want to kind of give you a closer look at that fog potential as you're heading out the door. Again, not anything too widespread, but you can see some of these patches of some of the yellows and reds. That's showing us visibility below a quarter mile in some spots, but it's gone by around 9 to 10 o'clock. And then we're off with our temperatures, mostly sunny skies this morning, heating up to 86 by 4 o'clock today. And you know, yesterday evening, we had some pretty good super soakers and a few thunderstorms. Could have gone without the lightning, of course, but most of the rain was north of Collier County, so we stayed dry there. But look at the afternoon, how today's going to be a little bit different. Just a few spotty afternoon showers out there today, so not expecting a whole lot on the Gulf Coast live radar as we get into the evening. So a few clouds overnight, staying mild, mid-60s. Rain chances increasing into the weekend, both Saturday and Sunday, around 40%. So I mentioned that we do have a weak front moving in late Saturday. So Sunday, we'll see more clouds, a high of 83 degrees. So it's not going to be as hot for the second half of the weekend. And then looking ahead into next week, this takes us all the way up to next Saturday, so the day before Easter Sunday. It continues to stay very warm with temperatures above average, mid to upper 80s, with lows in the mid 60s. That is your Gulf Coast weather.